Within their garage, Toyota is currently working on an intriguing new project. It's a revolutionary hydrogen vehicle, not just any old ordinary car. The electricity for this car, known as the Mirai, is produced by fuel cells. Toyota, on the other hand, has adopted a different strategy with its most recent invention, the new hydrogen combustion engine. The automotive sector could undergo a revolution because to this groundbreaking technology. Toyota has taken a different route from other automakers who have embraced all-electric cars. Their attention is divided between being superior and being different. Let's now examine the specifics in more detail. We'll examine the new hydrogen-powered internal combustion engine from Toyota, including its operation and potential effects on the sector. According to GlobalCitizen.org, the status of the Earth right now necessitates immediate action. 15% of all carbon emissions worldwide are produced by the transportation sector alone. Electric cars are becoming more popular, but they may not be the only solution to the pollution problem caused by conventional combustion engines. This is where Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine is used as part of its carbon neutrality plan. The most prevalent element in the universe, hydrogen, also has the non-nuclear power source with the highest specific energy density. It may be created from a variety of sources, stored indefinitely, and transported reasonably simply. It is also exhaust-free and non-toxic. Buildings, electric vehicles, forklifts, ships, and trains have all already used hydrogen as a power source. Why are hydrogen engines so appealing, then? They have greater ranges than electric cars and don't need to be recharged as frequently. Additionally, their exhaust pipes only produce water as a byproduct, which is free of dangerous contaminants. You might now be interested in knowing how these hydrogen engines work. Each and every hydrogen engine uses a fuel cell to turn hydrogen into energy. It's an amazing fusion of magic and science. With the release of the Prius in 1997, Toyota started down the path of lowering the number of vehicles powered by fossil fuels. They have a long history of dedication to environmental programs. Toyota is not acting alone in this effort, though. The development of ecologically friendly vehicles utilizing solar energy, electricity, and hydrogen power is a top priority for automakers worldwide. The goal includes enhanced air quality, lowered environmental impact, and energy security in addition to planet preservation. Once hydrogen is created, it may be distributed with great efficiency and at a low cost. Numerous modern hydrogen refueling stations use electrolysis to produce hydrogen on-site with 100% surplus renewable energy. Water and electricity are the only resources these containerized stations need to run. At certain stations, electricity is generated using green tariffs or directly from solar or wind energy. Toyota is delighted to say that it invented a cutting-edge technique for harnessing the power of hydrogen. Recently, their technical team unveiled the Corolla Cross H2 concept, a working automobile with a hydrogen-powered internal combustion engine. This innovation sets itself apart from the Mirai, Toyota's earlier hydrogen-powered car, which is powered by fuel cell technology. It is not altogether novel to use hydrogen to fuel internal combustion engines. One of the early innovators in this space was the German automaker BMW, which released the 750HL in 2002 and the Hydrogen 7 in 2005. The 6.0-liter V12 engine in the BMW Hydrogen 7 had been tuned to burn both gasoline and hydrogen. Only 100 of the dual-fuel engines were ever made, and they were extremely rare. But it has some shortcomings. Due to its great flammability, hydrogen must be handled carefully. In addition, refining and storing hydrogen present difficulties, and the combustion process releases nitrous oxide, which the EPA classifies as a pollutant. Toyota intervenes to solve these problems. They think that no one solution can adequately address both the needs of customers for transportation and the reduction of car emissions. Getting the right vehicle to the right location at the right time is crucial. Toyota is aware of how crucial it is to make investments across the board in order to meet the world's short, medium, and long-term transportation needs. In this context, hydrogen is essential and a key component of Toyota's Beyond Zero effort. Toyota has given its internal combustion engines that run on hydrogen the moniker H2 to emphasize their dedication. The future of vehicle technology seems to lie in this cutting-edge technology. So how does it function? Consider the GR Corolla H2 as an example. With a unique twist, it has a 3-cylinder, 1.6-liter turbocharged engine that operates on hydrogen. Toyota uses sturdy fuel tanks to safely store the highly flammable hydrogen, drawing inspiration from its hydrogen-powered Mirai. Amazingly, only 50 liters of water are released when 5 kilograms of hydrogen are used to drive the vehicle up to 300 kilometers. In terms of environmental friendliness, this is a fantastic accomplishment. Don't forget about the power element. Toyota and Yamaha Motor have teamed up to create a V8 engine that runs on hydrogen. A hydrogen-powered V8 engine is real, you heard correctly. This powerful engine produces 398 pound-feet of torque and 455 horsepower. The 8-into-1 top-mounted exhaust manifold, however, steals the show with its characteristic high-frequency sound. In addition, compared to electric automobiles, hydrogen-powered vehicles have longer ranges and faster refueling periods. For instance, refueling the GR Yaris H2 takes just 90 seconds. The decreased reliance on materials with limited supplies, such as lithium and nickel, which are essential elements in the batteries of electric vehicles, is another benefit of hydrogen-powered vehicles. In this way, the Corolla H2 represents a substantial advancement. It is even more environmentally friendly because its battery is far smaller than that of an electric car. The Corolla Cross H2 concept car is currently undergoing real-world testing by Toyota, which includes assessments on icy roads in northern Japan. By 2030, they hope to have an astonishing 800,000 fuel cell-powered automobiles on the road thanks to the government of Japan's strong support for hydrogen. More refueling stations will soon be built around the nation, according to plans. Let's talk about how these hydrogen-powered cars sound. Their incredible sound is matched with exhaust notes that are evocative of modified gasoline-powered cars. Toyota's cutting-edge hydrogen engine also produces very little CO2 because it doesn't use fossil fuels. There are a few toxic fumes created, although they are substantially less than in conventional gasoline-powered cars. Toyota has taken steps to enhance the dependability of its hydrogen engines in response to safety concerns. They now have gas-fueled injectors, tougher valves and valve seats, and stronger connecting rods. These improvements instill trust and put driver safety first. Let's now explore the advantages of this novel technology. Let's begin with one of the primary issues with electric vehicles: charging. Long charging periods are a common complaint, but this issue is resolved using hydrogen. Hydrogen refueling takes just 90 seconds, which is comparable to the time it takes to fill up a car with an internal combustion engine. Although there aren't many hydrogen outlets right now, they can be seamlessly integrated into existing gas stations. Even more environmentally friendly is the GR Yaris H2 since its smaller battery uses fewer raw materials like lithium or nickel. In conclusion, the creation of hydrogen combustion engines by Toyota is an outstanding development in the field of transportation. Compared to conventional combustion engines and electric vehicles, these engines have a number of advantages, such as increased fuel efficiency, shorter refueling periods, less dependence on resources with finite supply, and exceptional environmental friendliness. Hydrogen-powered vehicles may soon be a ubiquitous sight on the road thanks to ongoing real-world testing and the support of the Japanese government, making important contributions to carbon neutrality and a sustainable future.